₹10 में सूजी का हलवा आपको मिल जा रहा है बीजीसी ट्रस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज के कैंटीन में। इससे सस्ता और आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे एक कैंटीन में नाश्ता खाना पीना सब कुछ। गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, आज 30 अगस्त 2022 सुबह के 8 बज रहे हैं और हम लोग निकले हैं चिटागोंग मेरे होटल से चेकआउट करके बीजीसी ट्रस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज की तरफ जा रहे हैं। बीजीसी ट्रस्ट के मेडिकल कॉलेज के जो बहुत सारे टीचर्स हैं चिटागोंग सिटी से, उनको कॉलेज तक का एक गाड़ी दिया जाता है जिस गाड़ी में वो ट्रैवल करते हैं। तो उसी गाड़ी में आज मैं जा रहा हूँ, ना कि मैं अपनी पर्सनल गाड़ी। तो ये है ये सारे लोगों के साथ ही हम जा रहे हैं और कॉलेज के सारे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एंड टीचिंग स्टाफ, मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टाफ को सिटी से कॉलेज तक का पिकअप एंड ड्रॉप दिया जाता है। सुबह 8 बजे वो लोग जाते हैं, शाम दोपहर 3 बजे वो लोग वापस सिटी में ड्रॉप कर दिए जाते हैं। सुबह के 8 बज रहे हैं, तो देखते हैं हम लोग कितने बजे तक पहुँचेंगे। और रास्ता काफ़ी खाली है सुबह की तरफ, तो और भी ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता। थोड़ा सा रास्ता है, सारे टीचर्स पहुंच जाते हैं सुबह से क्लासेस आपके स्टार्ट होती हैं।
We have arrived at the campus of BGC Trust Medical College. This medical college and hospital is distributed over 100 acres of plain land, effectively related by land and rail route and 1 hour distance from Dhaka International Airport. This college was established in the year 2002, affiliated with Chittagong Medical University and approved by Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council and National Medical Commission of India and also World Health Organization.
Good morning. So we have finally reached BGC Trust Medical College under Chittagong Medical University. So this is the administration block A, and we are going to meet all the administrative people first after a long time meeting them, and then we will go one by one. We will show you all the infrastructure, followed by the hostel, girls hostel, boys hostel and everything. It's a huge campus, so this video is going to be long.
सुबह सुबह कॉलेज हर क्लासरूम में, ट्यूटोरियल रूम में बच्चे हैं अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट के। तो कई सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स अभी हम लोग जाएंगे, देखते हैं।
Now we will be visiting the tutorial rooms and the lecture galleries where the students are studying presently. The tutorial room, quite spacious rooms. So you'll be seeing the college notice board where photographs are displayed relating community medicine. So in this college, more than 120 foreign students are studying presently. On the left side, you can see the ward. We have entered the biochemistry laboratory where you can just see the advanced equipments, the specimen. This is the college library where more than 5,000 books are being placed. This is the cafeteria of BGC Trust Medical College where the students generally come and have their different meals.
35 रुपये में सैंडविच एक सुबह नाश्ते में कर सकते हैं। सिंघाड़ा को तो बोले है 7 टका, 2 सिंघाड़ा 15 रुपये बांग्ला टका में। भी कैंटीन में इससे सस्ता आप क्या अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं कॉलेज के अंदर। तो मेरे ख्याल से इससे ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी और मैं नहीं दे सकता कि 7 रुपये में बांग्ला 7 रुपये मतलब इंडियन शायद 5.5 रुपये में आपको एक समोसा मिल जा रहा है। 2 समोसा मेरे ख्याल से नाश्ते के लिए मोर देन सफिशिएंट है। मैं तो 1.5 खा के पेट भर गया मेरा। सूजी का भी हलवा सुबह सुबह मिलता है। सूजी हलवा तो हर वो बच्चा जो मम्मी के हाथ का खाया है, अगर नॉर्थ इंडिया से आते हैं, गुजरात हो, राजस्थान हो, सुबह सुबह सूजी का हलवा और पूड़ी या पराठा ये तो मैं बहुत खाया करता था। तो आज कॉलेज से कैंटीन में मिल जा रहा है। तो नाश्ते के लिए ये सारे ऑप्शन हैं। अगर आप सुबह सुबह आकर के 15-20 रुपये में नाश्ता कर लें तो 20-25 रुपये में नाश्ता कर ले तो काफ़ी है। मोर देन 7 रुपये में एक प्याली चाय। मुझे नहीं लगता इंडिया में एक प्याली चाय 7 रुपये में कोई देते हैं। 10 रुपये में सूजी का हलवा, 10 रुपये में सूजी का हलवा आपको मिल जा रहा है बीजीसी ट्रस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज के कैंटीन में। इससे सस्ता और आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे एक कैंटीन में नाश्ता खाना पीना सब कुछ।
Right in the front, you can just see a beautiful artwork done showing the growth in the career of MBBS course. Beautiful. So now we are entering the Department of Radiology, where a good number of patients are waiting for their investigations to be done regarding the different health issues they have. You can see the different rooms, X-ray rooms and other rooms regarding the Department of Radiology. The hospital provides more than 500 plus beds for its inpatient with all modern facilities provided. Now from here we are entering the Department of Clinical Pathology. This is the OPD department where a good number of patients are waiting for their consultation. You can just see the different consultation rooms. A good amount of patient inflow is there in this hospital. This is the reception area. This medical college organized a conference recently regarding laparoscopic surgery. You can just see Dr. C. Palanivelu, one of the India's leading laparoscopic surgeon, attended this conference and he was the note speaker of this conference too. So here you can see the different departments, the doctors who are presently the faculty members of the college. So now we will be visiting the different sections of the college and the hospital. These are the different sections of the hospital. You can just see the different sections where patients are waiting, the different consultation area. Very massive hospital. All different consultation rooms, patients are waiting. So this was the tour of the medical college and hospital, and now we will be visiting the hostel area, which is separate for boys and girls. Now we have arrived at the hostels. So this is the boys hostel. We are entering the hostel building. The kitchen of the boys' hostel. You can just see some of the students are having their meals. The rooms of the boys' hostel. Attached washrooms. Even you can see a huge veranda which makes the rooms very airy and well ventilated, quite spacious rooms. So you can just see the kitchen. So fresh meal is being served to the students. Now we have arrived at the girls' hostel. So you can just see very well protected and high security has been provided in the girls' hostel and under strict supervision. The girls' hostel is indeed very spacious with huge corridors and rooms situated on the side of the corridors. We are entering the girls' hostel rooms with attached washrooms. All rooms are attached with washrooms. So Aspiring Life team is meeting with the students.
It's almost evening 5 p.m. We had a great long stay in BGC Trust. We went to the girls' hostel, we went to the boys' hostel. We met all the students, came across their problem, discussed about their problem with the college chairman and the principal. Of course, when you study in Bangladesh, any medical college, there will be problem. There will be problem in food adjustment, there will be problem in water adjustment. There will be some basic problem that because of heat you need one more fan in your rooms. So these small adjustments needs to be made, and sometimes the college authority who can sanction all these amenities which are required, they are not aware of these small things. So as a consultant, it's our duty to meet the college authority and make them understand that why small amenities like be it water filter, changing the water filter regularly, be it making sure that the enough fans are there in the room so that the proper ventilation is there for the student. In some countries, the hostel charges varies from $200 to $300 per month, and then only you get such a luxurious hostel. But when you are getting a hostel for free with maintenance and electric bill of 1500 to 2000 rupees with cook and every other facility, then you cannot expect the best of class hostels. So these are the adjustments you need to make, but still with whatever college provides, we as a consultant try to raise the problems which normally student and the parent are not able to say directly to the college authority, and over the time this helps the student to adjust for the next 5 years. Sometimes we feel bad for the students, but at the end of the day they all are happy that they are doing what they want to do. They want to be a doctor, and for that they are ready to do whatever sacrifice is needed. If you actually dream to be a doctor and ready to sacrifice everything, so if you are ready to sacrifice everything and plan to be a doctor and ready to study hard and does not fear exam, if all these things you can do, then only come to Bangladesh and study medicine. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.